Hey everybody, how you doing? We are back on day 12, I think it is, and I've already started the spot putty, with joint compound. All the screw locations that don't require tape for a seam. I am going to use the fiberglass mesh, okay, as depicted in this glowing. That's because the sun's shining on it. It's hot. Anyhow. Yeah, that's pretty stupid. Here, can you see it better? Yeah. Anyhow, it's a lot of you guys that have monkeyed around with this stuff already know what it is. And it's like, where the heck's the edge at on this bad boy? Look at that, man. This is why I got good vision. I can see for miles the little details. There's the mesh. All right, a little adhesive on there. It's great stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the seams except for this angle and that angle. All right, because we're going to use a different product for that. And I have that right here. Let me turn off this fan. Oop, wrong way. Now I've never used this stuff before. It's called Sure Corner. That's what the box looks like, and it's supposed to do inside and outside corners. And you can see here that it's impregnated, okay, with metal. I gotta get this. So this will bend in just about any angle that you need it to bend in. The metal side goes towards where the mud is, so we're going to pre-mud. What we're going to do is when Jeremy gets over here just after 6 o'clock, one of us is going to go and we're just going to start lopping mud along that edge. The other one's going to come back behind it and run a continuous strip, metal side in, tucked in the entire length of that run, okay? That way we get a nice straight line when it comes down to doing the finishing work. Otherwise, if I did something like this, okay, which you can do, you're gonna be farting around with mud all the time trying to get that line straight. There is some wave, and that's what we're trying to do, is take out the wave. So, all right, we're gonna try this. I've never done this before, and I'm gonna use it for all of my inside and outside joints. So it's a type of corner bead. And what else is going on? We had some more license plates come in today, or excuse me, yesterday. I did a mail call on my Facebook page, and you can see it there. And those of you that are following me on YouTube that are not necessarily involved with my YouTube page, or excuse me, my Facebook page, I encourage you to go to Facebook and look up Watson's Wagons and follow us. Because there is content and things that I do on there that I don't post on YouTube. Plus, it's loaded with a lot of wonderful, great people, mostly flat fender Jeep folks, and they're really good people. Between that and MVPA and all the people that are associated with that, we try to keep some really cool content going. And this summer promises to bring some good stuff too. So it ain't just the man cave build, it's what's going to go into man cave, and then what happens downstairs in that part of the man cave, because hey, it's all about men and some ladies. I know some ladies that are into this, and working on vehicles and doing your stuff, man, just doing your thing. So we're excited about it. All right, let's time lapse this and get going. Okay, we went through and put the fiberglass strips on. You can see it here, right? All the self-adhesive. once the mud encapsulates that and gets hard, that'll prevent any cracking, and just as well as the tape would. So I'm just waiting on Jeremy now so we can do this long angle. While I'm waiting, I'm going to patch this in. All right. Wow, we we did a hell of a lot more than we thought we were gonna do. Jeremy came over. We were just gonna do those corners. We ended up doing everything. We just knocked it out. So what the heck? Pretty cool, huh? Got the fans running. We'll leave them running throughout the night just to help dry things up. And yeah, it's not perfect, but I'm not a professional at it either, so cut me some slack, will ya? But I think we're going to meet our springtime goal. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of mud and fun. So, time for me to go inside and eat something. I'm exhausted and tired. And wait a minute, exhausted and tired is kind of the same thing, isn't it? I'm hungry. How's that sound? Have a good night, folks. Man cave. Go build you one.